the automotive checking fixtures.
Hello, I'm Angela from Top Talent. Today, I would like to show you some checking fixtures. As you can see, now there are lots of checking fixtures on assembly area. Amongst those checking fixtures, there are over 76 plastic parts checking fixture from one customer for 2 projects. The checking fixture are for checking A pillar parts, B pillar parts, C pillar parts, D pillar parts, tailgate, and so on. All those checking fixtures are simulate the surrounding parts. Now we finish the MSA1 measuring, and all those checking fixtures are waiting for delivery. Kindly remember, Top Talent have bigger capacity and capability to handle the large projects.